a long time since we've had rain like this, so I just hope it keeps going for a little bit longer. So much gardening today down the creek and mowing and everything. Picking up rubbish. It's amazing what one person can do. I cleaned a whole area of about 1k just over about a week and a half, but today I had to do a little bit more because people go and drink down there, leave their cans behind and stuff. But it just makes you think if everybody just did a little bit, how amazing our world could be. I've heard YouTubers are starting to pick up rubbish now on live streams. Let's just do it all the time. You know?